So neobanking again, if I want to explain this to common people, how would we explain to them? And also the next thing I would like to discuss, what sort of services we would be looking for so that we can explore what we're announcing today, how it matches and if there are any gaps which we can fill together. So again, Dr. साहब आपसे start करते हैं कि न्यू बैंकिंग का थोड़ा सा explain भी कर दें कि ये होती क्या है, आम बनने के लिए वो क्या इसके जरिए कर सकेगा.
I think you answered it yourself. There are gaps.
Okay.
Certainly, there are gaps. Entrepreneurs, young entrepreneurs, new entrepreneurs, freelancers, those freelancers especially who are offering their services abroad or outside their countries of stay, when they are offering services, or digital nomads, for example, they really find it difficult to transact value. That's first. Second, many entrepreneurs who have opened new companies across the globe may also find it difficult to enter. So that's one area which is inclusion, financial inclusion, that neobanking is solving. The other is transactions. Transactions. For instance, if you want to buy services or goods with your crypto, you really find it challenging. So what is the fun of keeping crypto when you cannot buy
actually
some stuff
use
with
it,
that when you don't use it? So that's also neobanking, which next-gen neobanking is solving that problem. Third is also related to like trade, I would say. E-commerce is it's going to be massively one of the beneficiaries. It is already a huge industry, transacting volumes of value on a everyday or a minute-to-minute or a second-to-second basis. Now, runtime settlement of e-commerce through crypto fiat combination, swap, exchange will now be possible through next-gen neobanking. So these are few of the gaps. They existed, and of course it is also futuristic. So tomorrow you are combining, for instance, hyper-personalization with the neobanking services. Tomorrow you are combining like crowdfunding, for example. So blockchain-based crowdfunding we are yet to see, especially in this part of the world. So there are many use cases that are going to pop up in the near future.